First of all, see my letters? They look cute, don't they? I'll do a meeting of them probably like on my main channel, like real soon. Welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator, and today we're doing a comparison video. I know it's been a minute since I put anything on this channel, but it is 2018. It is a brand new year, and I just wanted to oh my gosh, I just wanted to clear things up about why I wasn't uploading. Family, laziness, and depression. That's it. That's all that is needed to it. And also not really knowing what to do with this, how my setup is, you know, because as you can see on the wall, I got rid of all my pictures because of something that was leaking from my wall. And it was like some type of weird brown liquid. So all the drawings and stuff were in my closet. And I decided to, you know what, add some flair on my wall and put my letters that I got for Christmas up there. But yeah, I did say that I was going to do more reviews, and I'm going to do them. But right now, we're going to do a comparison video / review, because I didn't get a chance to do any review videos because of what I was going through personal-wise. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the comparison / review video is all about nails. Okay, mine's a little bit dirty because, you know, yeah. But we're going to do nails, and this is kind of distracting me. We're going to do nails because I got a new set. And I cannot wait to show you all the set that I have now. So let's start with, well, actually I got two new sets. And I wanted to show you a comparison, not a comparison, but, yeah, comparison, but there's some difference to it too. Like two different types of nails that I've done. I did press-ons, tips, and I'm still doing tips. So let's start with the press-ons. These are Forever 21 press-ons. As you can see, I used some of them. These were really comfortable. I actually love these. The problem is that I wasn't really feeling how some of it was kind of like, almost like they were not finished. Or like, not on the actual nail itself, but on the sides. So that was pretty difficult, but I did a little bit of some editing, and they looked a little bit well. What the heck is this glow right here? That is not cute. Why is it glowing? Why is there two people? That is creepy as hell. I hope that doesn't show up in the video. But anyway, yeah, that is creepy as hell. It's like, oh my god. I don't know, but is it the light? Because it's probably the light. But anyway, yeah, it's too dark. Okay, well, it's probably because I haven't used this camera in a while, but yeah, whatever. So, like I said, I had to do like probably some clipping off on the side of the nail, probably around the tip of it, and yeah, that had to have been fixed. But I'm going to show you one nail, and I'm going to actually get out this pro section because that is no longer needed. So this is one of the nails out of the package. As you can see, this nail actually is white with glitter on it. I absolutely love the design of this nail, as unfortunately I do not have enough to do another full set because it only came with at least 24. So this is the set. That was the bummer about it. I wish it came with more, but that was the, you know, what it is right now. So yeah, you can definitely see the glitter. Yes, the glitter. It's really nice and pretty. I absolutely love how this came out, and I absolutely love how it looked on my nail. Like I said, I wish I had more pieces, but like I said, it only came with 24. The price of this was about $4.90, so almost close up to $5. And it had an adhesive on it. It's an adhesive like you can't really see it, but it's an adhesive right inside of the nail, which I loved. But it was like the adhesive was not as strong, so thank God I had my top coat nail glue the set that I'll show in a little bit because I love those too. Yeah, so I'm glad I had this nail glue on deck, because if I didn't, I would not have those nails on today. So yeah, it was a bummer that it could have came. I wish it could have came with like more pieces, but it only came, like I said, with 24 nails in it. So yeah, this will no longer be used because I do not have enough for my big nails. I only have enough for my skinny nails. But hey, it is what it is. Next, we're going to go on the new set I got today. This is from Freak. I put my tab on charge. But this is a set I got from Amazon. Thanks to Vipon, I got this half off. The original price was $5.20. $5.20, nothing too major. This actually came to $2.60. So I'm glad I got this nail set. It's the same as these ones, except they do not have on any type of glitter or anything like that. These are basically natural. So I'm actually going to go ahead and peel off the tape. This is a picture. I don't even know why I'm keeping the picture. The picture can go away. But yeah, this does not have any adhesive on it. So I have the nail glue on deck. It's not a problem. This is, which nail is this for? Yeah, this is like from the middle finger. Yeah, the middle finger though. Whatever. Well, I should be putting my middle finger up anyway. But anyway, this is one of the nails. I like this. This is actually pretty cute. In comparison to the nails I got, the top poop nails that are also from Amazon, what is this? The style of them is much better than this one. Even though these are just straight tips. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just literally put on the tip of your nail. But the size, style, and shape, I'm really glad that I got this one, because I would rather use these than these, because I had to cut the bottoms off of this and shave it and all that stuff, and that didn't completely work because the tip right here actually gave me a bruise on one of my fingers. I don't even know which one it was, but yeah. But yeah, so these will probably no longer be used. I wouldn't say no longer be used, but I don't know. I might try to use these again. I had the natural ones, but I don't know where they went. But yeah, I am looking forward to using these. I have an idea. I was thinking about using these in the summer. I don't know how they would appear with color. I know with the white, I had to put on just like a simple few layers. But with this, I would love to see this natural, completely drenched in color. So hopefully I can get that. Oh, there are some pieces that are like still stuck from, I guess, from how they were made, because they were stuck by the tip and not by the end. Oh my god. So there are two sizes of the nail. One is for like a skinnier pinky, I guess. So the pinky one is like a skinnier nail bed, and then I think there's another size for a much wider nail bed, and the nail bed is this right here, as you can see. So I'm picking one up for my pinky, and this is the actual size that I would use for my pinky because of the nail bed purposes. But if you have a skinny nail bed, please excuse my camera. I know it looks a little bit messed up, but I think it's because I'm literally. But that wasn't a problem before. Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm so sorry, but yeah, my camera's my camera. But yeah, this is the same one. Yeah, this is more for the nail bed, which is this here. If you have like a more how do I say it's more skinnier nail bed or narrow nail bed, you would have this one right here. I picked up 3. You have this nail bed, but for my nail bed, I would use this because it's more wider, and I definitely have more range when it comes to actually painting color on it. So it's more space. I will only put like a slab of paint on it. But yeah, this is also a good size for my nail because it'll almost look like I have on French tips. And I'm trying to keep this under 10 minutes. Or maybe probably 15. I'm glad that it came in this case because I wouldn't want it to be in a different case. You know, I like it when it has like individual like sections. You know what I mean? Similar to this, but it's really just like plastic. This is plastic too, but at least this plastic has some like sturdiness to it. This was just like all places where you pop it out, all the nails will pop out. Like, that's not cute. You know what I'm saying? So this is actually definitely where I would use my nail. This is actually how I like my nails to be sectioned off in. Another thing that I noticed was that you can actually, there's another tray here. Now for this is like for the like the name of the nails, like this is design nails, so that wasn't like good for a tray. But you can actually put the nails that you're going to use in this particular tray right here. I don't want the nails to fall out. But I'm actually happy that that looks like that, because I could easily just sit my nail glue in there. Oh well. Oh, okay. Yep. Oh, doop. I think that broke. Nope, can't do that. So I thought I could set my nail glue in there, but we could sit the. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. So I thought you could put your nail glue in there, but you could sit it in there while you're doing your nails and this, that. So you have a section where you put your nail polish, your nail glue, and the nails that you'll be using in this tray right here. So that's actually a good idea. So this is 100 pieces, as I said on the I guess it's like a place card or something. So it's a professional nail tips 100 pieces. This was actually 200 because I got 100 pieces of white and natural for these nail tips. But I'd rather use these because I don't have to worry about shaving off or cutting off the bottoms, and I don't have to worry about, you know, buffing it out and stuff like that. So I'd rather use these over these because it's less work. I can just easily just put my nail glue on. I think I need some more nail glue on Wish. It's kind of either free or $1, and I might just get the $1. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Click the notification bell to be notified about my videos. And I hope you enjoyed this particular video because I actually wanted to do this for quite a while, especially when I had to get when I got a new set of nails. I thought these the new nails I got, I thought they would come in February, but I'm glad they did not because that would be messed up. But yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye.